Solar Centrifugal Pump. Unboxing Introduction. Complete set includes 1. Accessory bag. 2. Solar controller. 3. Solar pump. Solar centrifugal pump. Controller specifications. Solar centrifugal pump. Accessory bag. Accessories. Solar pump wiring. Accessories. Solar pump installation. Accessories. Solar controller installation. Accessories. Spare parts. Practical operation guide. Solar pump installation. Step 1. Wrap the threads of the PVC connector with thread sealing tape and install an O-ring. Install PVC connectors at the inlet and outlet of the pump respectively. Step 2. Put the water pipe into the PVC connector and fix them firmly with stainless steel 304 hose clamps. The water pipe at the inlet needs to be connected to a bottom valve to prevent water from flowing back. Step 3. Unscrew the water injection screw at the pump body. Inject water into the pump body from the injection port until the pump body is filled with water. Tighten the water injection screw. Practical operation guide. Solar controller wiring. Step 1. Unscrew the controller cable connector nut and take out the rubber plug. Step 2. The brown, blue, and black wires of the pump cable correspond to the WVU printed on the circuit board. The grounding wire needs to be connected to the grounding pile. Step 3. Connect the two wires of the stainless steel 304 tank float to the TH and COM terminals respectively. Step 4. Pump cable diameter specification. Recommendation table. Customers can connect an external floating extension cable according to their actual needs. Recommended wire diameter specifications are shown in the figure. Step 5. After the cable is connected, tighten the controller cable connector nut to secure the cable. Connect solar panels or batteries. Connect the solar panel's positive connector to the controller's P-positive terminal connector. Connect the solar panel's negative connector to the controller's P-negative terminal connector.